Seconds to go. Start. Applicability of Part 1 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, whereas and where one of the parties to arbitration is a body corporate incorporated in India and the other is Government of India, and the arbitration agreement is governed by the laws of England and the judicial and seat of arbitration is in London. The parties had entered into two production sharing contracts dated 22 December 1994. These two PSCs provide for the exploration and production of petroleum from the oil fields in India. One of the PSCs was entered into with Reliance Industries Limited, a body corporate established under the laws of India. The other PSC was entered into with BG Exploration and Production India Limited, a body corporate established under the laws of the island. Subsequently, when dispute arose between the parties, the matter was referred to arbitration as agreed in the PSCs. The seat of arbitration was London and the governing law was the law of England. The arbitral award passed by the arbitrator was challenged in the Delhi High Court by the Union of India. Reliance Industries Limited raised a preliminary objection on the ground of maintainability of the arbitration petition because by choosing English law to govern their arbitration agreement and expressly agreeing to London-seated arbitration, the parties have excluded the application of Part 1 of the Arbitration Act 1996. It was submitted that the High Court of Delhi had no jurisdiction to entertain the objection filed by the Union of India under Section 34 of the Arbitration Act 1996. It was emphasized that courts of England and Wales have exclusive jurisdiction to entertain any challenge to the award. Upon consideration of the entire matter, the High Court has held that undoubtedly the governing law of the contract, that is proper law of the contract, is the law of India. Therefore, the parties never intended to altogether exclude the laws of India so far as contractual rights are concerned. The laws of England are limited in their applicability in relation to arbitration agreement contained in Article 33 of the PSC. This would mean that the English law would be applicable only with regard to the crucial law matters, that is conduct of the arbitral proceedings. The exclusion of India public policy was not envisaged by the parties at the time when they entered into the contract. Therefore, according to the High Court, the question of arbitration of the dispute is not a pure question. Stop.